4 things that can damage your mental health. You may want to save this video for later. 1. Negative self-talk. Our minds are powerful, and the words we say to ourselves matter. Negative self-talk can create a storm of self-doubt and anxiety. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion. Treat yourself as kindly as you would a friend. Remember, you are deserving of love and positivity. 2. Comparing yourself. In the era of social media, comparing ourselves to others has become almost second nature. But remember, everyone's journey is unique. Focus on your own progress and growth. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and use others' success as inspiration rather than a yardstick for your worth. 3. Unhealthy lifestyle. Our mind and body are closely connected. Poor eating habits, lack of exercise, and insufficient sleep can impact our mental health. Prioritize self-care by nourishing your body with nutritious food, engaging in regular physical activity, and ensuring you get enough rest. 4. Holding on to grudges. Holding on to grudges and harboring resentment can create a toxic environment within us. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning the actions of others. It's about freeing yourself from the burden of negativity. Release the past to make space for positivity. Remember, your mind is like a garden. Nurture it with positivity, kindness, and self-awareness.